The Dodge Durango 2017 has set the bar higher for SUVs when it comes to having a powerful attitude, thanks to its aggressive styling and brawny engine. When it finally arrived to the market, it obviously brought something different. See more of the Dodge Durango in this week's car review. The Dodge Durango 2017 is powered by Dodge standard engine, the 3.6L Pentastar V6 that generates up to 295 horsepower and 528.7 Newton meters of torque. It features dual variable valve timing that helps maximize power and efficiency. Moreover, the 8-speed automatic transmission helps V6-equipped rear-wheel drive models achieve an estimated 11.47 kilometers per liter highway drive. Meanwhile, the suspension setup uses Eco 3, which provides the Durango good handling without sacrificing comfort. From the looks of its exterior, one can point out that the Durango demands nothing but attention. From its chrome-detailed front grille, its headlamps that have automatic high beam control, which switches from high to low beams and back again when coming light is sensed, while available low beam headlamps enhance nighttime visibility, its projector fog lamps, and down to its wheels that leave a little bling on the road, the Durango could easily be labeled as a remarkable SUV. Climb inside and be met with up to 84.5 cubic feet of cargo space, with the fold-flat front passenger seat, 60/40 fold and tumble second row seat, and a 50/50 split folding third row seat. The driver gets a treat with the Class Executive 7-inch customizable driver information digital cluster display, which supplies audio selection information, fuel economy data, vehicle status, warning indicators, and available navigation. And then the Uconnect 8.4 nav that includes GPS navigation with 3D graphics, lets you stream audio wirelessly with a Bluetooth compatible device, then you're set for the road. When it comes to safety and security features, the Durango has 60 of it. To name a few, it includes the adaptive cruise control with stop forward collision warning with active braking, backup assistance, and Uconnect roadside and emergency assistance. If you're after an SUV that possesses powerful style without compromising comfort and safety, then you might find it in the Dodge Durango 2017.